You can almost hear the winter wind rustle through the trees near Kecksburg, Pennsylvania, where 60 years ago the sky burned with something strange, something unforgettable. A blazing fireball tore through the evening sky across 6 states and Ontario, leaving thousands staring upward in shock. Some believed it was a meteor. Some sensed something far different. Locals felt a vibration, a thump, a blast of blue smoke rolling over the woods as though nature herself had been startled awake. Then came the search. Troopers, military engineers, state police sealed off the forest floor, ordered silence, held back the curious. Reporters watched, cameras poised, yet when dawn broke, nothing remained. No meteor fragments, no metal debris, no crater. The official verdict called it a meteor, end of story. But that wasn't the strange part. Not long after, whispers emerged of a bell-shaped acorn-like object. Witnesses described strange hieroglyph-style markings etched into its surface. They claimed to have seen it loaded onto a flatbed truck under cover of darkness. Some believe it to be a spacecraft of unknown origin. Others a secret human-made re-entry vehicle, perhaps tied to Cold War ambitions. For decades, the narrative shifted. In 2005, according to declassified documents and later reports, the object was tentatively linked to a failed satellite from the Soviet space program, the Cosmos 96, returning uncontrollably through Earth's atmosphere. Yet trajectory analyses, eyewitness statements, and conflicting soil and tree damage data kept sowing doubt. A tree that seemed to show limb breakage from impact. But then other experts claimed the damage came from ice storms, a patch of disturbed ground that looked like a landing site. But maybe just heavy equipment tracks. Just when it seemed the meteor explanation might settle the debate, new investigations emerged. In recent years, some researchers revisited the site. LiDAR scans hinted at subtle terrain irregularities. Drone flights apparently picked up faint electromagnetic anomalies in the same zone. Strange radio interference reportedly. Skeptics remain unconvinced. But if even one of these signs holds true, what if this wasn't just space junk burning up? What if something else, something inexplicable, slipped through the cracks of official record? Think about your own quiet town, shadowed by pine and oak far from center stage. What if a fireball once fell there? What would you do if the government sealed off the woods, hauled away the remains and insisted it was nothing more than a meteor? Would you accept that answer? Or would you keep asking questions, chasing shadows, listening for the hum of silence under cracked earth? Sometimes the truth survives only in the spaces between fact and rumor. The mystery of that December night in 1965 still nags at us, unresolved, uneasy, alive. What really crashed into the woods outside Kecksburg? A meteor, a Soviet satellite, or something far stranger and unknown? The answer remains hidden. Dive deeper, watch the clues, and decide for yourself. Binge the rest of this mystery in our playlist. Subscribe for your next journey.